In this video, I'm going to show you how do we connect with the Oracle database. First of all, let us check the installation whether it is properly done or not. Open the command prompt and go ahead and execute the command SQL plus /as sysdba. So this is the default command that we will use in order to log into the Oracle database. So when you click on enter, so you could see that you have logged into the Oracle database. So in order to understand the database name, you can give the command select star from $database. So this is pretty long. Let me just modify the query. Select name from $database. We'll show you the database name. So XE is our database name. So this is what we can understand that, okay, the installation of the database is successful. But in order to continue further with our SQL practice and all, we require one schema. Okay, schema is more or less like a user in the Oracle database. So let us see what are all the schemas which are available in the Oracle database currently. Select username, comma, account underscore status from db underscore users. So this is a command, or this is a table. db underscore users is a table which will show us a list of all the schemas. So you could see sys system or the default user names that which are in the open status, and whereas you could see like there was something called a HR at the end. So why we need the HR? So the HR is the default schema that we can use in order to get our SQL practice. Okay, so the default tables that you can use from the HR schema, let me show you. So what we need right now, we need to first unlock and reset the password. Why? Because this is expired, password is expired, and also the account was logged. Okay, we need to unlock it, and also we need to reset the password. We can do all these things in one command, that is select alter user HR identified by HR account unlock. So this is where we have just unlocked our user account HR. Please take a look at this one from the db underscore list of users. You could see the HR account is open. So in order to connect to the Oracle HR account, so connect, or even you can use just a CONN is quite enough. So HR, and I have given the password as HR. Just click on HR, that's it. And you could see select a star from tab will give you all the list of tables that schema contains. Countries, departments, employees, jobs, locations, regions, all these are the default tables which are there existing with your database. So now let us see some sample data, whether we have the data inside these tables or not. Let us check that part. So select a star from jobs. We have got the data. So how do we get connected to this? Why? Because this is all command prompt that we are operating from. So while you're writing queries and all, particularly for the beginners to work with this kind, okay, it might be a little bit tough for them. Okay, or some people might not be able to understand how exactly it is to be done. So in order to make it easy, I suggested you to go ahead and download the SQL developer, which I have already extracted in my last video. I have showed you how to extract this, and you see this SQL developer is the icon that which you need to just click on. So where it is going to open us the complete GUI picture. So using this, we can just get connected with the Oracle database. Okay, not required. So to take a look at this one, Oracle SQL Developer. This is the GUI part that we are going to. So automated usage reporting is not required right now. So take a look at this one. I wanted to make a connection. This is a front-end GUI of Oracle SQL Developer, which will allow us in order to just get communicated with the Oracle database, whatever that we have installed. Now you see, I'm going to add a connection, new connection. Click on the new connection, and also the name. So name is HR, and the username is HR. Password is already HR. Okay, and the rest of all the things are common. So that SID is nothing but the system identifier, which is nothing but a database name, and it is the host name is a local host, and the port number is 1521, which is a default port number. So let us test this connection before we are going to confirm and get it connected. Let me just click on the test. You see the status is success. So without which that you cannot continue further. So first you need to test this one, and then go ahead and just click on the connect. So it is asking for the password HR. Just say OK. So go to properties. If you don't want this to be bothered every time, just give the HR password and ask for saving the password and test it, and just go ahead for the connection. So here is the interface. Now let me just give the command or the query here. Select star from. You could see all the tables which are being suggested already. Jobs. Control enter is going to work as a execution. So now it is going to fetch the data and it is going to show to us. So select star from jobs is the command in order to fetch all the information from the table called jobs. So now at this point of time, we have already installed the Oracle database, and we are ready with our Oracle SQL Developer, and we have made the all necessary connections to be made. In my next video, I'm going to explain you how to write the queries.